we will guide you through how to change Photoshop brush cursor. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and wait for the workspace to finish loading. Select the brush tool from the toolbar or press the B key to activate it quickly. Before changing cursor settings, make sure Caps Lock is turned off, because Caps Lock temporarily switches many painting cursors to a precise crosshair and can make your selected brush tip display seem incorrect. Click Edit in the top menu to open the application options. Choose Preferences, then select Cursors to access the settings that control how painting tools appear on the canvas. Locate the Painting Cursors section, where Photoshop provides several cursor display styles. Select Standard if you want the cursor to appear as the familiar brush tool icon. Select Precise if you prefer a crosshair cursor that marks the exact center point where the brush will paint. Choose Normal Brush Tip when you want the cursor outline to show the visible edge of the brush based on its normal painted result. Choose Full-Size Brush Tip if you want the outline to represent the brush's complete area. Optionally, enable Show Crosshair in Brush Tip. You can also enable Show Only Crosshair while painting if you want the full outline visible while positioning the brush, but prefer a crosshair whenever you click and paint. If the preview outline is difficult to see against your artwork, optionally change the brush preview color to one that contrasts with the colors you normally use. Review the selected cursor style and optional display settings. Then click OK to save your changes and close the Preferences window. Finally, test the brush tool by painting a few short strokes on the canvas and watching how the cursor responds. Press the left bracket key to make the brush smaller and the right bracket key to make it larger, confirming that the displayed brush tip changes size along with the brush.